Hey, I hope I'm audible because it's raining outside and I wanted to show you how beautiful this looks. Uh, Usually, when it rains, I love to come out here on my balcony and read a book. There, that's my bean bag. I sit there usually and I just look out, face the beautiful scenery, face that lake. uh, and if you've been following me on Instagram, you'd see that I post a lot of lake videos. I post a lot of lake images because every time I look at it, it makes me happy. And it's not true for only this lake. Like when I was at home, my with my parents, my mother has a really beautiful terrace garden. So I love spending time on the garden. I go there in the mornings to work out, like facing the sky when I lie down and do some yoga and stretching. It feels really good. And I just enjoy that the sound of the birds, the scent of the beautiful flowers. And my mother's garden has such vibrant flowers. They are like the brightest pinks, the most glorious yellows. They just make me so happy. And this lake makes me happy as well. So effectively, I'm just a nature lover, and I live in such a beautiful place. I don't even need a background. I can just come out here and shoot. I don't know why I haven't done that yet, like for my other YouTube videos, because outdoor videos somehow look more exciting than indoor videos. And that reminds me, thank you so much for showing so much love on my first vlog. I was so shy about uploading it because I tend to go off topic a lot. Like I talk about completely unrelated topics, but you people loved it. The comments on it were so sweet. So thank you so much for that. And yeah, about my love for nature, staring at my mother's flowers and just spending time in the garden watering the plants, I feel so good. I can feel that the plants, the earth is saying thank you when I water it. I love that feeling. So I don't know, maybe that's why I'm a writer, because I tend to make poems out of normal everyday things. Like a simple task like watering a plant makes me wanna write a poem. So yeah, there's that, the the poetry that flows in my blood, that my heart circulates, pumps around the body. So yeah, as I was saying, this is my balcony. This is the view from my balcony, and I just love spending time here. Let me show you guys a better look. That is the lake. There's another lake on the other side of the road. It's visible on my first vlog where I where I went out to do yoga, and then after that I just made a short vlog for you people. And yeah, so this is the place where a few of my colleagues living in that building and the other buildings, the few of my colleagues have made like kitchen gardens. So currently there aren't any crops growing there, but in winter you'll see lots of radishes, lots of carrots, and that tree over there, there was a tree right there where you can see that hole, the near that pipe. So there was a tree that grew some kind of dal. So you had to take the seeds out and then you had to dry it, and then it can be made into a curry, a dal. So it's very interesting. Anyway, so that is a papaya tree. Uh, the place where I grew up in Jorhat, we had a lot of papaya trees inside our house, and my house was actually, it was uh, a quarter of the Jorhat Engineering College. So it had a big garden outside. It had an even bigger garden, like space for a garden inside, and it was very interesting. Like my parents utilized it for interesting purposes. Like, wait, let me talk to you. I'll just flip the camera. So yeah, so my parents used the front side of the house for a beautiful like flower garden that had butterflies, actual butterflies. My brother and I used to run around those butterflies trying to catch them, and sometimes we even caught them. They left behind some butterfly dust on your fingers when they flew away. So I probably, looking back, I shouldn't have done that because it must hurt the butterflies. But children are, they can't empathize, and children tend to be a little bit cruel. And if you don't agree with me, just remember the kind of insults your friends used to use on you. Can you imagine using such insults now, like calling someone fat or calling someone ugly? That's just terrible, and only children are capable of such cruelty. I don't think adults can do that knowingly to someone's face. Anyway, so yeah, like the place where I grew up in Jorhat, we lived in the Jorhat Engineering College campus, uh, and we left there. My family left that campus in 2009, no, in 2010, and I was there for another year. So I left it in 2011 when I joined NIT Silchar. So yeah, so that the gardens on both the front and the back side of the quarter in JEC campus was so beautiful, and in our backyard we had so many different types of fruits. We had bananas, jackfruit, blackberries, star fruit, peaches, mangoes, lychee, and trying to recall more. They were like, did I say jackfruit? And pineapples. We had pineapples when it was pineapple season, and we had like 3 4 types of bananas at that time. Anyway, as I was saying, I just lost track of what I was thinking. That happens a lot. If you know me in real life, you'll know that I get distracted. My mind just jumps from topic to topic. Anyway, as I was saying, yeah, we're talking about the house where I grew up in JEC campus, right? So it was a nice place. I loved it. And we had like 14, 15 different types of fruits in our backyard. And my parents grew vegetables in winter. So I have picked those vegetables. I am connected to the earth in some way. Like I have experienced that. I've experienced nature in its rawest, purest form. I have played around in places like this. I haven't, like spent my childhood in an apartment. So that is the reason I have this deep connection with nature. That's why nature makes me so happy. Yeah, I don't know. I hope I didn't blabber and bore you guys. So please, please, please let me know. Like, did you like this video? Should I make more of this? I'm really shy. I don't talk as much in real life. Like if you know me in real life, I don't talk at all. I'm very I won't say shy, but I don't share my feelings very easily with people because I know that from the way you talk to someone, a lot can be learned, understood about your personality. And I just don't feel comfortable sharing that unless I'm really comfortable with someone. Like, I really love someone. So I have a few friends with whom I can be my true self. In front of some friends, I can be very open, but in general, I'm not. So this opening up in front of you in this vlog, it feels very different. I'm very shy doing it. So please let me know, and if you want to talk about anything, if you want me to discuss any other topic in the next vlog, just let me know. I'm so happy that YouTube has given me this platform that I can talk to you and learn so much about you and share all of these things with you. I can share the beautiful scenery with you. So please let me know in the comments anything that you want to talk about, anything you want to share, anything you want me to talk about in the next video. So I'll see you soon. Bye. Cheers.